You've already moved your loquat tree into a bigger pot. Congratulations, you've just given it space to grow. But be careful. The next 15 days will decide whether your tree becomes a strong, fruit-producing giant, or gets stuck and stops growing. Transplanting is a shock for a loquat tree, and if you expose it to direct sun or water it incorrectly right now, you could lose months of progress. Today, I'm going to show you the ultimate care guide. Where to place it, when to water it, how to prevent diseases while it's weak, and most importantly, when you'll get your first fruits. The number one mistake is placing your loquat tree in direct sunlight right after transplanting. Even though loquat trees love the sun, their roots are not yet connected to the new soil, so they can't absorb water fast enough. Golden rule: keep your tree in partial shade or bright shade for the first 7 to 10 days. If you put it in direct sun immediately, the leaves will burn, and the plant will go into growth shock. After the first week, gradually introduce morning sunlight, until it can handle full sun exposure. Now let's talk about watering. Your new pot holds more soil, which means it retains more moisture. If you water the same way as before, you could easily rot the roots. During the first month, watering should be controlled and minimal. Only water when the top layer of soil, around 3 centimeters, is dry. Loquat trees hate having wet feet. Here's a pro tip. If you see new leaves drooping or pointing downward, it's not always a lack of water. It can actually be too much water. Make sure drainage is perfect. Water should flow out quickly from the bottom. As you can see in the video, we added stones at the bottom, to improve drainage and prevent water buildup. Now let's talk about protection. A freshly transplanted loquat tree has low defenses. This is when diseases like leaf spot or rust are most likely to attack. If you notice brown or black spots on the leaves, act quickly. Avoid wetting the leaves when watering. Moist leaves are an open invitation for fungi. I recommend a preventive treatment, using copper or nettle extract, about 15 days after transplanting. This helps protect your tree, while it focuses its energy on developing new roots. Now, let's talk about something everyone wants to know. When will you get fruit? Many people get impatient. But this is where patience really matters. If your loquat tree is grafted, and you've moved it into a larger pot, you could start seeing fruit in 2 to 3 years. If it's grown from seed, you may have to wait 6 to 8 years. Here's the secret to speeding things up. Do not fertilize immediately after transplanting. Wait at least 1 month for the tree to adapt. Then use a fertilizer rich in potassium and phosphorus. A well-fed loquat tree in a large pot can produce a surprising amount of fruit, even in a container. The key to success with loquat trees is not the transplant itself. It's what you do after. Control sunlight. Manage watering. Protect the leaves. If you do this right, next year your tree will be unrecognizable. Do you see any strange spots on your loquat leaves right now? Leave it in the comments, and I'll help you identify the problem. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to follow the growth of this tree step by step. And up here, I'll leave you some videos about other fruit trees that you might find interesting. If that's the case, click here, and I'll see you in the next video.